Arundel Castle is a restored and remodeled medieval castle in Arundel, West Sussex, England. It was established by Roger de Montgomery on Christmas Day 1067. Roger became the first to hold the earldom of Arundel by the graces of William the Conqueror. The castle was damaged in the English Civil War and then restored in the 18th and 19th centuries by Charles Howard XI, Duke of Norfolk. From the 11th century, the castle has been the seat of the Earl of Arundel and, for over 400 years, the Duke of Norfolk. It is a Grade I listed building. The original structure was a motte and double bailey castle. Roger de Montgomery was declared the first Earl of Arundel as the king granted him the property as part of a much larger package of hundreds of manors. Roger, who was a cousin of William the Conqueror, had stayed in Normandy to keep the peace there while William was away from England. He was rewarded for his loyalty with extensive lands in the Welsh Marches and across the country, together with 1/5 of Sussex. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.